Okay, just watch each new shape as it comes right here. Okay. Do it one more time, just right here. Okay. And then watch each new shape as it goes the other direction. Okay. Watch each new shape. Let's do it one more time. Okay. Watch each new shape. Okay. Okay. Watch each new one. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Again, just watch each new shape. Okay. Just do it again. Watch each shape. Good. Now I'm going to go to the other direction. I'm going to go to the left. Just watch each new shape. Okay, good. Okay. Just watch each new shape as it comes up. Okay. Do it one more time. Just watch each new shape.